Let's double check, guys, the AVAX USDT trading pair with my customer Grisette. What's going on now? I don't want to repeat again the global targets, so I think the AVAX, one of the not so many tokens, which I still believe will hit the new all-time high. And I would like to show you the zone of a local correction where we can stop, So highly recommend you, by the way, use just a fresh and the brand new indicator. So it's a Crypto for Light dashboard, so all in one place where you can just turn on, adjust the time frames, for all of my 6 indicators and take a look, all data in one place and save the space on your screen. So basically, guys, the 27 block is like main support, still relevant. I hope, and I don't think so, we're gonna drop to $12.50. It's once again the global zone of accumulation for AVAX. So this is one starting point where we can drop and find a support if BTC continue going down to 94 or even 86K. 94K for BTC, it's a yearly open. So yes, just keep in mind it's possible to see. So 1250, $8.86, it's a zone of accumulation for AVAX, what we track since, I don't know, 2023, I guess. So this was here, September 23. This was a accumulation. All this period, it's accumulation zone, bounce to first level. I tracked this since February 21. Drop it down to the 0 level, rejected 86. Come back to 0 level, rejected 38. At the yearly open, this was a yearly open, like a rejection, and crash it down to the fundamental value. The fundamental value of this AVAX now on the weekly time frame, it's 1431. This is this one. Next one is 1251. It's 18 level by FIB. Also, I few times showed you how we come back and close the 50% of the week. So basically, we already closed the 50%. Now we try hold the line. So highly recommend you go and check the video about how to trade the weeks. So it's really, really useful. So we come back, here we format the week on the weekly time frame, test the 0.5, now we test it again. So if we not hold, the roll will be open exactly to here, 1386, and yes, even to 1251. I hope, of course, we hold it now. So we can delete this one. And now we trade on the daily around the buy line. Buy line was 1628, but we can test again the 50% of this range, like 1630 and 1218. So guys, I hope we're gonna hold something around here in this block. So if you wanna accumulate AVAX, I think this range like 886 and 1574, it's more than okay for accumulation. At least, I guess, we will retest again the yearly open like 3586, this one, and test this hypothetical downtrend line, liquidation heat map. By the way, now the sentiment on the markets is even worse than before or after the FTX crash, even worse than Luna crash. Under is, I can't say something big liquidations, right? Week two, let's check the monthly. So main liquidity definitely is about here. Of course, we can drop again, let's say to liquidate these guys here from 4 November, drop it lower, right? But the main liquidation is here like 933 billion, $21.31. So just keep in mind it. And I guess anyway, now that after all of this crash in the market, most people start believing we're in the crazy bear market. So it's just the beginning. So we go into hell to zero, crypto going to zero. So the sentiment all the time the same. This is Binance AVAX USDT futures liquidations heat map on a monthly, 6.15 billion. So this is it. So for me personally, 21, let's check, 2120, so it's around here, over than this liquidity pool. So this is the main K level of liquidations. It's not that much, right? To pump price from, oh, it's pretty good one. It's 34%. That's why, guys, sooner or later, I guess till end of this week, we will see that or we hold the line around the buy line and go higher in the next week, or we go straight forward to 1251. So around here, I guess somewhere we're gonna find the support. It's up to you to buy or not. If you want to try, guys, futures, of course, it's kind of risky, but you can add stop loss under this level. And if you want to try all long, so here, this like 5% stop loss. And with the second leverage, it's 10% stop loss against the here. So this liquidation, 6 billion liquidation here is like 46. So 10% against 90. So around 90. So take profit line now on the 4-hour time frame, based on take profit indicator is 23.15, exit line 26.08, and buy line on the 4-hour time frame it's 11.62, and the fundamental value it's 8.63. 12-hour time frame buy line we already retested, but we can retest it again. 14.46 fundamental value it's 10.76. Take profit line 28.54, exit line 32.27. Let's close the FIB and let's close the take profit indicator. Let's double check the other indicators, ADZ and direction. Here's accumulation on the 12 time frame. We are also in just under the middle line, but technically it's accumulation. So the main accumulation was here in June at the same level. And basically we form a divergence, because if we will drop to 12.57, it will be the biggest divergence. Now, based on direction, no accumulation signal, no sell signal, weekly time frame, we just in the middle, so I can say some crazy accumulation, but not a crazy distribution. Direction on the middle line, so technically it's like neutral. Let's double check the market's mood. The sentiment, guys, now on the weekly time frame, it's a capitulation. So you can check how the capitulation playing out. So this is capitulation, pump, capitulation, pump, capitulation, and I think we should pump to this top. Here was also the capitulation in August 23. So, guys, I think we somewhere around the bottom for alts. But at least, guys, if you want to invest in Avalanche, be ready. For example, build a plan like $15 you invest, and $30 or the test of yearly open, you withdraw initial deposit. Here's a money inflow. The last time money inflow was here in June 24 at $24.12, but we dump it after that to 17. So maybe we can retest this block again. At 12.51, maybe I will take a look some futures position. Maybe for a spot, I'm enough with accumulation. Daily, here was a MACD bullish divergence. Now we're at the bottom without a money inflow, but soon I guess we will see some money inflow. And the last indicator is trade on. Trade on. Here was a sell, take profit, buy, and I would like to see the reversal move from now. Weekly, no signal to buy. The main one was here, sell March 24, December 24, buy back, now nothing. So I'm waiting the 12.50, this one. So I'm gonna add alerts and wait. If not, I will be more than okay to skip the Avalanche or reopen position after this move. So at the monthly open, weekly open, I will try open position or around here. That's why I'm waiting my targets. Now it's kind of risky to open, like I already explained it, or 5% stop loss with second leverage is 10, or if you're okay to lose like 40%, but it's no make sense to trade with a 40% stop loss. So guys, and especially I highly recommend you trade with a isolated margin, not with a cross margin. because a lot of people lost a lot of money during this drop. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Avalanche. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.